is promised that I will continue to faithfully discharge the duty. I can report back to you that the economy has turned the corner. It's getting better. Pensioners are getting their reliefs gradually. We have saved Nigeria from being bankrupt. It is very, very daunting and very challenging when we took over. But today, I can say with pride and joy that we are surviving. No governor in this country, in any of your states, is now running around the bank to borrow money to pay salary of their workers. None. My duty is further investment in agriculture, development, education of your children, so that I can hand over a better nation to them to see whether I've left an history for them to write and be proud of. It is my duty to do that. And only with your blessing, with your prayers, I'm sharing with you every moment of it tonight. Please continue that prayer. Yes, we are challenged. The terrorists, they are very desperate now because they are getting barraged and defeated. They leave traces of blood in their fields. But I assure you one thing, Nigeria will never surrender. We are not deterred. We're going to win, and win well. Your joy shall not be short-lived. It will live with us and prolong our lives. As you move from here, going back home, you will go back safely, happily, in good health. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir.